Paano ba mag-translate ng verbal phrase into mathematical phrase? Sa video ito, ituturo natin kung paano mag-translate ng verbal phrase katulad ng mga nandito into mathematical phrase. So, first of all, i-review muna natin yung mga common na verbal expression na ginagamit. First, ang added by, added to, more than, increase by, sum of, equivalent niya is addition or plus. Next, minus, subtract from, less than, decrease by, difference, diminish, equivalent niya is subtraction or minus. Next, product of, multiply by, times, multiplication, or open and close parenthesis. Next, divided by, quotient, ratio, is division, or itong slash. Next, raised to the power of, squared, cube. So, ito yung equivalent niya, exponent. So, pag squared, raised to the power of 2. Pag cube, raised to the power of 3. Now, solve na natin yung mga verbal phrase kanina. I-translate na natin into mathematical phrase. For number 1, the difference between a number and 5. So, the difference, equivalent niya is minus between a number. So, pag sinabing a number, wala siyang sinabing specific na number. Sinabi lang niya a number. Meaning, variable. So, i-represent lang natin siya ng any letter. So, dito, gagamit tayo ng X. The difference between a number, yung variable natin, and 5. So, 5. Ano yan? The difference between a number and 5. For number 2, 5 times the sum of a number and 6. 5 times, open and close parenthesis, the sum. The sum is addition of a number again, variable. Gamit tayo ng X. And 6. Okay, so ito na yung equivalent niya. 5 times the sum of a number and 6. Okay? So, for number 3, divide the sum of the squares of A and B by the square of C. Okay, divide daw. Divide, gamit tayo ng bar. The sum. So, yung sum is addition. The squares of A and B. So, yung sum ng square ng A and B. So, A squared and B squared. By the square of C. So, di-divide natin to sa square ng C. C squared. So, ito na yun. Divide the sum of the squares of A and B by the square of C. Okay? Number 4. The square of the sum of a number and 2 increased by 5. The square, so open and close parenthesis, squared to the power of 2. The sum is addition. A number, variable, again, X. Gamit tayo ng X. And 2. Increase is addition by 5. So, ito na yan. The square of the sum of a number and 2 increase by 5. So, ito na yon. And last, yung the difference of a number and 6 multiplied by 4. So, the difference is minus. The difference of a number, again, variable, X, and 6 multiplied by 4. Okay? The difference minus of a number and 6 multiplied, open and close parenthesis, by 4. So, eto na yan. Okay, so yun na. Sana marami kayong natutunan. Thanks for watching.